Третий класс. Английский язык. Школьные предметы. Домашнее задание. Страница 14-15. English. Spotlight 3. Homework. School subjects. Page 14-15. Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 14. School subjects. Exercise number 1. Listen and repeat. English. Maths. Geography. P. History. Science. Art. Music. Школьные предметы. Послушайте и прочитайте. Once more, please. English. Maths. Geography. P. History. Science. Art. Music. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Which subjects do you have at school? Are they the same or different? We have, we don't have. Какие предметы у вас в школе? Они такие же или другие? We have, we don't have. The answer. We have maths, P, art, English, and music. We don't have science and history. Boys and girls, do exercise number 3. Chit chat. What's your favorite subject? Art. What about you? I like music. Какой твой любимый предмет? What's your favorite subject? Art. What about you? I like music. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 15. Exercise number 4. Read and say. Прочитай и скажи. Нужно из короткой формы глагола to be сделать полную форму или наоборот. I'm Bob. I'm Bob. What's your name? What is your name? He is 12. He is 12. I'm in year 8. I am in year 8. What is this? What's this? My name is Peter. My name's Peter. They are at school. They're at school. It's a ruler. It is a ruler. Exercise number 5. Read and answer the questions. Прочти и ответь на вопросы. Hello. My name's Larry and I'm 9. I'm in year 5 at school. I like history, PE, and maths. But my favorite subject is art. What about you, Larry? How old is Larry? Larry is 9 years old. What year is he at school? He is in year 5. What's Larry's favorite subject? The art is Larry's favorite subject. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 6. Now write an email about yourself. А теперь напиши e-mail о себе. Вместо пропуска вставь информацию о себе. Dear Harry, Hi, I am Anne. I am 10 years old. I live in Moscow. My mom's name is Lida. My father's name is Peter. I have got a sister and brother. His name is, her name is. I have got a pet. It is a cat. I am studying in a 5th form. I like to swim. My favorite color is red. I'm going to the tennis club. Write me soon. Anne. My dear friends, do exercise number 7. Let's play. Guess the subject. Music. Давай поиграем. Guess the subject. Music. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.